Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Remote Desktop by Vortex 8. Remote Desktop is a useful utility you can use to control another computer. First, you need to go onto the computer you'll be controlling and hit Start and right-click My Computer and then Properties. Go in the Computer Name tab and write down the full computer name. Don't copy the period though. So on this, it'd just be Lucas. After you do that, click the Remote tab. There are two options. There are Remote Assistance and there's Remote Desktop. On the computer you'll be controlling, you need to click the Remote Desktop option. On the computer that you will be sending the invitation from, the one you will be controlling the other computer from, you need to click this tab. So basically, if you don't understand what I'm saying, just click both of them, hit Apply, and then hit OK. After you do that, to access the computer, you need to click Start, All Programs, Accessories, Communications, Remote Desktop Connection. Type in the computer's name and hit Connect. You'll then need to type in the username. In this case, it's administrator. And you can just forget about all this. Just type in the username. This would be the username and password you used to sign in on the other computer. And then the password. After you do that, hit OK. I was using Windows XP just a second ago, and as you can see, you can actually use a different form of Windows. I'm using Vista Ultimate right now, and you can do anything you want. So, that's basically how you use that. And to close out of it, you click this X on the top, saying it will disconnect the session. Click OK, and that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching and enjoy. I plan on watching more computer-related topics. If you'd like to know more about a specific topic or how to do something, please send me a message via YouTube. My URL is youtube.com/vortex8. Thanks for watching.